Guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here, then come to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile, and you go above this sign, click on it here. When you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down here, and you click here on account settings. You click on it. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video. It's going to take a time, and you click here on visibility here. So then when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on who can see or download your email address. Just click on it, and here can you select in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.